engineer is designing a runway for an aircraft carrier. Several aircrafts will use the runway, and the engineer must design it so that it is long enough for the largest aircrafts to become airborne before the runway ends. If the largest aircraft accelerates at 43.0 meters per second square and has a takeoff speed of 32 meters per second, then what is the minimum allowed length for the runway? What is given to us is the starting velocity of the aircraft, which is 0 meters per second. The final velocity should be minimum 72 meters per second, and then the acceleration is 43 meters per second square. We need to find the distance. The relevant equation that we'll be using is vf squared equals v sub naught squared plus 2a delta x. And the derivation for that is up here in this video. So pretty much you just plug in all the given. The final velocity 72, square that, starting velocity is 0. And the acceleration is 43, and we need to look for delta x. So the rest is just algebraic manipulations, and by putting delta x by itself, by dividing both sides by 86. And so the answer that we have is 60.3 meters.